Hello guys, this is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do 10 different type of eyeliners, and in this tutorial all you need is just a liner. If you're using a gel liner, you need a brush, or you can use a liquid liner as well. Whatever suits you would be fine. So I'll be starting with the basic ones and take you to the extension. What all things we can do in eyeliner. So if you don't want to get into eyeshadows and if you like only liners, you can play with your liners every time you go out and you don't have to flaunt only one kind of eyeliner. So I hope that you like it. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss a video when I upload one, because I want to start with the proper liners. So I'll just zoom you in so that you know how can we get into the eyeliner. So let me just remove this lash for you. So I'm going to take some gel liner on my brush and removing off all the excess. I'll just start lining my normal lash line. Following your basic lash line or the upper lash band is going to be your simplest eyeliner. The second would be just taking out a little bit of wing. So this is your normal but the second liner. Now the third one goes a little bit dramatic, and so when you follow the end of your eyebrow, you just take your outer V or your wing towards your eyebrows, and the outer corner you just bring it and line it towards your liner. So this is your third liner, and now we go to the fourth one. In the fourth one, I would just remove the inner corner V and make it more cat eye for more dramatic and glamorous. So you just put up an outer V like so and you're good to go. So this was your fourth liner, and now we go to the fifth one, and to complete this look I just line a little bit of lower lash line as well with the same, and you can always go to your lower lash line with some Kohl pencil as well to complete the entire look. So this was your fifth one, and now we are going to the sixth, and in the sixth I'm just going to smoke up the upper lash with a black eyeshadow. So you can take any damn black shadow you have, or even a brown shadow would be fine. So I've got hurt, so don't mind this. And I'll just take a pencil pointed brush, that is an eyeshadow brush, and dust off all the excess and just start smudging the upper lash line. And I'm going to take it till my inner corners. Also, for an easier one, you can always pull down your upper corner and just start smudging it so that your line doesn't go crooked and you have a proper nice smudge going over your lash line. And a little bit of lower lash line to smudge as well. I love smudged liners. It looks really amazing with subtle dresses and everything. So I love personally. So the seventh liner which we are going to go is going to be a little more over the top for the over the top girls who love flaunting themselves, standing out in the crowd kinds. So what I do is, so this outer lash line goes a little bit more thicker, and the end of this, like, it's difficult to explain but try understanding what I'm trying to say. End point of your liner, you just have to pick that up and take it towards your crease line like so, and try to make this inner corner as thin as possible. This was the seventh one, and the eighth one is going to be the second line. Also, while doing this, you can just remove the upper band as well if you want. The most dramatic is going to be this ninth one, which I personally love doing. If I really don't want to get into the eyeshadow and I still want the effect of eyeshadow and I don't want to mess around too much with the palettes and everything, this is the best thing to do, guys. Just take your liner brush and go randomly over your eyes completely and try to create as thick liner as possible towards the entire crease area, and it's gonna be your non-smoked smoky black eye. And just to be a little bit more perfect, I am just going to dab some black shadow over this. This is me speaking, I am just a little finicky, so I do this. For me, this is just a fixer of the base. If you want, you can do that, but if you really don't want to, you can completely skip that. So this is your 9th, and the 10th is adding up some glitter to your liners. Now you have a lot of liners in the market which have glitters in it, like this kinds. So the pencil like this, which is metallic in color, is also fine, like so. See this? Pencil like this is also fine. This is Isadore pencil, and I'm just going to take this silver liner and place it between this two part and somewhere here as well. This is your 10th. Or if you just want me, because I had said that I'm just going to use the liner and this was a cheat, so you can just take your gel liner and put it under your lash line as well, and you are good to go. So I'll just quickly finish getting into this eye as well, and I'll just apply some lashes over this and I'll be back. So yeah, here I am with both my eyes on the final look, and this was it for today, and this was the basic tutorial for you to have beautiful eyes, glamorous eyes with just a gel liner and probably a liner or two if you want to. If you don't want to, you can completely avoid the sparkles which I have used in this look. It was just purely pure for your knowledge. You can also use any other color if you want, or you can just pop up any sparkle or anything which you have at home. If you don't have, you don't have to worry about it. You can just put a little bit of more Kohl under your eyes and you can get a new look out of it. And this was it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. This was it for today, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.